Imagine yourself in this Ram 2020 1500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds, engine, 5.7L V8 HEMA MDS VVT included, active noise control system 180 amp alternator heavy-duty engine cooling Hemi batch 600W engine cooling fan gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds 26-gallon fuel tank, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, Tradesman Level 1 equipment group included, Sirius XM satellite radio carpet floor covering front and rear floor mats rear power sliding window, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, quick order package 25A Tradesman included, engine 5.7L V8 HEMA MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, carpet floor cover.